to market your Etsy shop without taking over your life. Social media can be a powerful tool for Etsy sellers, but it's easy to waste hours posting with little return. The key here is to focus on the platforms where your audience actually hangs out. You don't need to be everywhere. If your ideal customers are on Instagram, focus there instead of spreading yourself thin. Building a community, not just making sales. Share behind the scenes content, process videos, and customer stories to connect with your audience long term. Thinking ahead to future growth, a strong social presence can help you eventually launch your own website or product line beyond Etsy. Are mailing lists worth it? Building an email list is often recommended, but is it right for Etsy sellers? Here's some things to consider. Pros. You own your own audience, unlike social media where algorithms decide who sees your posts. It can be a great way to drive traffic for new product launches or sales. Cons. Etsy and many countries' laws don't allow direct promotional emails unless the customer opts in. Managing a list takes effort, and many people ignore marketing emails. A small engaged list can be valuable, but it's not essential for every shop. Etsy offsite ads? Do you have a choice? Etsy offsite ads promote your products on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Pinterest, and you only pay when you make a sale, but the fee can be steep, 12 to 15%. Who can opt out? Shops making under 10,000 in annual revenue can opt out. Those earning more than that are automatically enrolled and can't leave. Are they worth it? If you have high profit margin items or sell repeat purchase products, they can work well. For lower margin items, the fees may eat into your profits. Etsy ads, when to use them and when to skip them. Etsy ads promote your listings within Etsy search, but they don't guarantee sales. To use them wisely, there are many strategies, but here's somewhere to start. Only advertise listings that already convert well. If a product doesn't sell organically, ads won't magically fix it. Set a budget you can afford to lose. Ads don't guarantee a return on investment, so start small and track your results. Test and tweak. Try different listings, adjust your budget, and analyze what works best. Marketing and ads. What's worth your time? Marketing your Etsy shop doesn't have to be overwhelming. Focus on strategies that actually grow your shop, whether that's social media or smart use of ads or sending traffic to Etsy to boost your organic reach. Keep testing, learning, and refining your approach, and you'll build a marketing strategy that works for you without burning out.